In today's video, I'll show you how to buy Zoho Books and choose the right plan for your business or personal finances. Start by opening Zoho Books and heading to the settings menu. Inside, click Manage Subscriptions. This is where you can view, upgrade, or purchase a new plan. Once you're there, click Change Plan and you'll see all the available Zoho Books pricing options. Take a moment to compare them and choose the one that best fits your needs, whether you're running a small business or need advanced accounting features for a growing company. After selecting your plan, click Proceed to Payment. Enter your payment details carefully and confirm your purchase. Once done, your Zoho Book subscription will be activated instantly. From there, you can start exploring all its features, from easy invoicing and expense tracking to smart financial reports. And that's it, you've successfully subscribed to Zoho Books. If you have any questions along the way, Zoho support team is always available to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy Zoho tutorials.